Welcome to the future of construction. The revolutionary developments of 2025 are transforming the construction industry. We'll look at the newest construction technology in today's video, which you really need to be aware of. These developments, which range from sustainable solutions to artificial intelligence, are revolutionizing the sector. Let's get started. 1. Autonomous construction vehicles. The way we transport materials around building sites is being completely transformed by our first technology. These days, autonomous construction vehicles are leading the way in the sector. Imagine self-driving bulldozers, cranes, and dump trucks. These vehicles are outfitted with AI and sensors that allow them to navigate and operate without human assistance. These intelligent devices, which can operate effectively around the clock without human error or exhaustion, have already been produced by companies like Volvo and Caterpillar. Volvo's EX2 electric autonomous wheel loader can move large objects throughout the site without a driver, saving money and time. 2. 3D printing of buildings. Construction has been blown away by 3D printing technology. However, printing little models is not what we're talking about. We're printing whole structures in 2025. With large-scale printers that can produce entire skyscrapers, bridges, and even homes, 3D printing has entered the construction industry. Icon's Vulcan printer, which can print a 1,000 square foot house in a single day, is among the more impressive examples. It makes use of a unique, environmentally friendly, and incredibly durable concrete material. This technology promises to provide quick fixes for the housing shortfall, cut waste, and minimize building costs. 3. Robotic construction workers. Speaking of robotics, a growing number of construction sites are using robotic labor. Robots such as FastBrick Robotics' Hadrian X can build bricks far more quickly and precisely than human laborers. By laying up to 1,000 bricks per hour, the Hadrian X reduces labor expenses and human error. Additionally, they are ideal for difficult construction projects like high-rise structures or disaster areas because they can operate in hazardous or difficult-to-reach areas.
I hope you are enjoying the content. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Our channel focuses advancements and impacts of technology.
4. Smart glass for buildings. Smart glasses will revolutionize both residential and business structures by 2025. This technology helps regulate light and heat by automatically adjusting window tints using electrochromic or photochromic materials. Consider windows that have the ability to brighten in the winter to let in more sunlight or darken in the summer to save money on cooling. The dynamic glass made by View Incorporated is one such example. Their windows provide better comfort and energy efficiency by reacting to sunlight in real time. In addition to saving energy, this technique improves the building's aesthetic appeal by producing dynamic, eye-catching facades. 5. Augmented reality in design and planning. It is revolutionizing the planning and design phases of building. By 2025, engineers, architects, and even construction workers will be able to view 3D models of structures on the job site using augmented reality glasses or smartphone apps. Before a project is constructed, teams can use this technology to view how it will look in real time. To make sure everything is in its proper place, a construction manager can stroll around a site and look at an overlay of the building's layout. AR speeds up the building process, decreases errors, and enhances teamwork. 6. Green and sustainable concrete alternatives. The building sector is moving towards sustainable solutions due to environmental concerns. Green and sustainable concrete substitutes are becoming a vital technology in 2025. The carbon footprint of traditional concrete has a significant negative influence on the environment. However, a cleaner substitute is being provided by innovative materials like hempcrete and carbon capture concrete. Carbon capture concrete greatly lowers the carbon emissions related to its manufacture by absorbing CO2 during the curing process. Leading this effort and assisting in the creation of a more environmentally friendly future are businesses such as CarbonCure. 7. Modular and prefabricated construction. It is the way of the future, not merely a trend. Construction can be completed more quickly, precisely, and with less disturbance if building components are constructed in a controlled environment off-site and then assembled on-site. This technology is more sophisticated than ever in 2025. Up to 50% less time is being spent on construction by using factories to produce entire hotel rooms, office buildings, and even apartments. For instance, Katera is building modular homes at a never-before-seen pace by utilizing advanced robotics and artificial intelligence. This is a significant advancement for the sector, particularly in tackling the world's housing need.
Are you enjoying our tech insights? We're sharing fresh tech videos every Sunday. Subscribe us so you can stick to the technological updates in the world.
8. Drones for site monitoring and inspections. Although drones are not new to the construction industry, their potential is being expanded in 2025. These days, drones can do more than recording aerial images due to their advanced sensors and artificial intelligence. They are able to conduct site inspections, track the status of construction in real time, and even evaluate the structural soundness of buildings. Drones are being used by businesses like Skycatch to produce detailed 3D maps and models of building sites, which enables project managers to make better decisions more quickly. These drones save time, increase safety, and lessen the need for scaffolding. 9. AI-powered project management. The administration of construction projects is also being impacted by artificial intelligence. Large volumes of data from building sites may now be analyzed by AI-powered software to improve schedules, costs, and workflows. By 2025, artificial intelligence will be able to forecast any delays and give project managers real-time insights. AI is being used by programs like Procore and Buildertrend to help automate processes like manpower allocation and procurement. This results in fewer cost overruns, less human error, and quicker project completion. 10. Self-healing concrete. A revolutionary material that is altering our perception of durability. When cracks appear, bacteria or microcapsules in self-healing concrete activates. These agents heal the concrete by filling the fractures with limestone. This technology is ideal for high-stress areas where wear and tear could be a significant problem, like roads or bridges. This innovative material, which can increase the longevity of structures and lower maintenance costs, is being initiated by businesses like Biomason and Bluey Technologies. Here are 10 innovative construction technologies you should be aware of by 2025. The industry is changing quickly, from eco-friendly materials to driverless machinery, and these developments are opening the door to a more intelligent and sustainable future. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.